Hello students, welcome to Yourpedia. I am Jitendra Tyagi and I am again with you to share some important information regarding your MTech admissions. So those who did not qualify GATE exam or having very low GATE score, and if they are interested in pursuing MTech program from some a good college, okay, or from some NIT, so then this is one good option for you. You can try for admissions in NIT Hamirpur, right? So in NIT Hamirpur, they are conducting this session for self-sponsored category, okay, MTech in self-sponsored category. So if you don't have GATE score, even then you are eligible to apply, and they will conduct some tests. So you have to apply the form, okay. So let us discuss the further details of this program in NIT Hamirpur. Information voucher is available on the website regarding MTech admissions other than CCMT, okay. This is other than CCMT. You can see here for full-time self-sponsored program. It means all eligible, okay, with or without GATE, all are eligible, and this is separate from CCMT counseling, right. Now they have mentioned the number of seats available in this program in different categories and different departments, different specializations, okay. So according to your category and your interested branch, you can see the number of seats available there in self-sponsored category. And one more point, that due to the withdrawal from CCMT special rounds, seats may increase also, okay. These are fixed for self-sponsored category, but other than these seats, if some seats are left after the special round 2 of CCMT counseling, then those seats will also be filled under self-sponsored category, okay. So this number of seats available may get increase, right. Now if you are from civil, you can see according to your interested branch number of seats available. In electrical engineering, there are 3 branches: power system, signal processing and control, condition monitoring of power apparatus, okay. So you can see in different categories, and in open category you can see in every specialization there are seats available. Total 45 seats are eligible, okay. And in VLSI, if you are interested, most of the students are interested in VLSI. If you belong to electronics and communication branch or related branch, then you should apply in this department, okay. And all students of electrical or electronics or instrumentation, all interested in VLSI from NIT Hamirpur, if you want to get admission and you don't have GATE score, you can apply, okay. You can clear the exam, and the number of seats available you can see in VLSI is, for EWS there is no seat, but for open category, so under open category you can go there, okay. 3 seats are there, SC1 and then OBC 2, total number of 6 seats are there. And in computer science, artificial intelligence, okay, if you are interested in artificial intelligence, then seats are available and you can apply, okay. And same for the other branches. So you can check this information in the information voucher available on the website. Now what is the eligibility? Eligibility criteria is same as for MTech admissions in different NITs. So that is 60% marks in BTech, okay, and there will be some relaxation. So it is almost same everywhere. And in 12th class, 10th class, whatever your percentage, that is not important for them. Only they are considering the BTech CGPA, right. So if you have less than 60% in 12th class or 10th class, then also you can apply, no problem, okay. And there is no GATE compulsory requirement, okay. GATE is not required. Now what is the application procedure? So while visiting the website of this NIT, the applicant have to submit a hard copy through a form available at institute website, okay. So institute की website पे एक form available है उसको download करना है, उसको fill करना है, right. And then filled hard copy of application form along with necessary documents must be submitted to this address, okay. So application processing fee is 600 for this category, open EWS OBC, 300 for SC ST PWD. And if you are interested in applying more than one department, then separate application you have to fill. One department, one application form, okay. If you are from electrical and you are interested in VLSI also, electrical subject also, So you need to apply two department, electrical as well as electronic communication. So you need to apply separately. You have to fill two forms. Clear? And you have to send the hard copy with document. So remember this, hard copy you have to send. Okay, they are not accepting the applications online actually. Now what is the admission procedure? There will be shortlisting based on your criteria, your credentials given in the application form. Okay, mainly BTech CGPA. So they will shortlist you, and after that there will be written test interview offline on 29th of August 9 AM. Okay, ये आपका ऑफलाइन है, बट मे बी ऑनलाइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाए लेटर ऑन, बट राइट नाउ ऑफलाइन के ही चांस है अभी, ठीक है ना। और ये कब है? 29 ऑफ अगस्त को सुबह 9 बजे NIT, ठीक है, यहीं पे होगा हमीरपुर के कैंपस के अंदर। रिटन प्लस इंटरव्यू हो सकता है, या दोनों हो सकते हैं, या एक हो सकता है, कोई भी। ओके, अभी तक जो मेंशन है उसके हिसाब से रिटन प्लस इंटरव्यू है वहां पे। एंड रिटन और इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन आप कर सकते हो। कल भी मैंने आपको अनाउंसमेंट किया था, जो बच्चे अभी बहुत सारे NITs में इंटरव्यू आ रहे हैं, सो यू कैन गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट। ओके, जो पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको ऑफर किया है कि आप अगर स्नैप इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट कराना चाहते हैं अपना, तो यूरोपीडिया के मेंटर से आप ले सकते हैं। ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है अभी इस टाइम पे। अभी जो भी बच्चे NITs में जाना चाहते हैं थ्रू दीज रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव्स और दीज कंडीशन एडमिशन सिस्टम्स। ओके, सो इस फैसिलिटी को आप बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कोर्स फी। व्हाट इज द कोर्स फी? यू कैन सी फॉर MTech सेल्फ स्पॉन्सर्ड कैटेगरी 58,250। ओके, ये आपका इंस्टीट्यूट फी है, ठीक है, पर सेमेस्टर के हिसाब से होगा 58,000। सो ऐसा कोई बहुत ज्यादा फी नहीं है, 58,000 है। अगर किसी को VLSI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ठीक है, या मैकेनिकल में कोई अच्छी ब्रांच मिलती है और वो इंटरेस्टेड है, देन इट इज ओके, यू शुड ट्राई। एंड SC ST PWD के लिए फी 23,000 है। ओके, सो यू कैन सी, यू कैन, if you are not get qualified, if you don't have any seat, you can try for this. And what are the important dates? You can see here, date of receiving the hard copy of application form is 16th of August. Okay, 16 अगस्त तक आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म की हार्ड कॉपी वहां पे पहुंच जाना चाहिए, ठीक है। और शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग की जो लिस्ट आएगी वो आएगी 23 अगस्त को, ठीक है। और जो रिटन टेस्ट या इंटरव्यू होगा शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट का, वो 29 अगस्त को 29 ऑफ अगस्त 9 AM ऑनवर्ड्स। ओके, फिजिकल रिपोर्टिंग आपको करना है 12th ऑफ सितंबर को। फाइनली मतलब वहां पे एडमिशन लेके आप सेटल हो सकते हो वहीं पे, ठीक है। ओके, सो दिस वाज द इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग योर एडमिशन। एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, देर आर मेनी NITs हु आर कंडक्टिंग दीज admission conditions, okay, certain admission drives. So you apply everywhere if you are not having any seat with you right now and you want to pursue MTech program from any NIT. You should try for all options, and for your preparation for interviews you can contact Europedia Education, and free of cost for some next 20 days you can get the benefit of this facility. Okay, all the best.